Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Today we are going to harvest potatoes. Hopefully we have some potatoes in here because we're going to use it for Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving Day, and here's my dog Casey. As usual, she's very curious, so I'm gonna show you guys how my harvest. Okay, move over, little girl. Oh, so okay guys, I have my trash can in here where I can put this one, and I have also this little one. Hopefully we have something in here. As I can remember, I think I planted this one in September. I think it's middle September. I cannot exactly remember the date, but um, this one is dying, this one too, and it's getting colder. I already checked it and I can see there's some potatoes in here, so I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, wow, oh, look at that one. See, I have potatoes in here. I'm gonna put the camera closer. Okay, you can see guys here. And I think I planted 3 seed potatoes in here. I got one right here, but unfortunately my dog Casey, she ate it, so I have only 2 right now. I have little ones in here. Oops. Wow, I have a big one. A big one. So actually this potato, when I planted this one, I got it from my previous potato. Oh, this is garlic. I'm gonna replant this one because actually before I planted the potato in here, it was actually I planted a garlic, and I think I didn't took this one out. Oh, it's kind of, this soil is soft, but it's hard to. This one is from this plant right here. Wow, there's also a lot of little ones. That's good. See, look at this is the seed potato, and as you can see, the seed potato here started to grow little potato. I have actually 2. Oh, and here comes also potato, the seed potato. I think that's it. I think that's for this pot, and I get this one. We're gonna do the other one as well. This one also, I have 3. The other one is still in good shape. This one's still green, but I'm just gonna harvest it because these 2 are done. There's still some smaller ones. Oh, there's a lot of small ones. Casey is looking at my potato. No, Casey, ha. This is the seed potato. This one has I think more, but they're just small. I will just take this one out. I'm just gonna plant something else here. See, look at that seed potato, and it has I think that's all I get for these two pots. I get this one. This is plenty for me and my husband. I'm gonna cook this one today for Thanksgiving. I'm also going to cook turkeys, and I have green beans, this one, and then we'll also have some bread. Okay guys, I hope that you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Keep on gardening, and I will see you next time. Okay, happy Thanksgiving and bye.